Hello, here we going to see yearly prediction for chronic kidney disease detection using machine learning in Python. I am Sadish and my team member is Sanjay. Here I am going to use Google Colab for my project. First thing, I am importing the important libraries like pandas, numpy and other important libraries. Once we imported the important libraries, then we need to read our data. Here I read my data and printed the data. After I read my data, then I am changing the name of the columns. Then after we need to handle the missing values using mean and mode function in Python. Here this is the commands for handling the missing values. Once we done the process of handling missing values, then we need to separate the categorical values and the continuous values separately. After we separated the categorical values and the continuous value, we need to use label encoding function for converting our object data type into integer or float data types. This is the graphical representation of univariate analysis. This is the graphical representation of bivariate analysis of age and blood pressure. This is the multivariate analysis diagram, graphical representation for multivariate analysis. And after we separated the categorical values and continuous value, here we make the x data set and y data set to predict our data values. Here I build the artificial neural network model and continuously I build other models here. Here we can see decision tree classifier model, logistic regression model, and random forest classifier model. Once we done creating our models, then give some of the values to predict we have kidney disease or not. Here we given some of the input values. Here is shows high chance of CDK. After we done predicting the model, here we can see random forest model accuracy is 94. This is the highest accuracy or of our builded model, so I am going to use random forest model for our prediction. After we successfully build our model, then we need to import the pickle file. After we import pickle file, we need to dump or save our data. After we dumping our file, we can use the file in other application files like Python in our web applications. This is my web application file. Here I loaded every data for my project. Here we can statistic template and a app py and a cdk pkl file. Here we can see all of the file. Now I am going to run my web application. After we run, there are so some links. We can use this link to see our web application. Here loading my web application. This is interface for our my web application. Here we can see home and prediction button. I select prediction. Loading for this page. Here I give some of the input data. Here for my given input, we get the output. We have chronicle kidney disease. Thank you. This is the end of my project.